Logo, Sacramento Regional Transit. Text, Next Stop News November 2024. Video of Blue Line station construction. Text, Blue Line service disruptions continue in November in preparation for new low-floor trains. Learn more at SacRT.com/station closure. Video of buses, light rail trains and people voting. Text, SacRT to offer system-wide free rides to drive the vote on November 5th. Learn more at SacRT.com/drive the vote. Video of Smart Ride. Text, learn about Smart Ride service transition. Join the public workshop on November 6th. Learn more at SacRT.com/rideshare. Video of Airport Express Bus. Text, fly easy with SacRT's Airport Express Bus. Learn more at SacRTAirport.com. Video of hiring event. Text, join our team. SacRT is hosting 2 hiring events in November. Learn more at SacRT.com/hiring events. Logo, Sacramento Regional Transit. Text, check out the November edition of Next Stop News at SacRT.com/NSN.